Welcome to AutoZone, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, specs, and features. If you're passionate about vehicles and want to stay updated on all the latest trends in the automotive world, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Today, we're diving into the Nissan minibus, a versatile and reliable option for those in need of a spacious, comfortable, and efficient transportation solution. Nissan has long been a trusted brand in the automotive industry, and their minibus offering is no exception. Designed for a range of uses from family transportation to business needs, this minibus stands out for its impressive performance, practicality, and robust features. When it comes to performance, the Nissan minibus delivers a powerful engine that ensures a smooth and responsive driving experience. Depending on the model, the minibus is equipped with a range of engine options, including both petrol and diesel variants. These engines are designed to provide an excellent balance of power and fuel efficiency, making the minibus a great choice for long drives or daily commuting. With advanced transmission systems and strong handling capabilities, the Nissan minibus is easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces, which is an essential factor for city driving or navigating crowded areas. In terms of specifications, the Nissan minibus offers a variety of configurations to suit different needs. The minibus typically seats between 12 to 18 passengers, offering plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. The spacious interior is designed to maximize comfort, with ample legroom and headspace. The seats are designed for durability, providing support during long journeys. Additionally, the minibus features large windows that allow for excellent visibility, making the ride more comfortable and less cramped for passengers. On the tech side, the Nissan minibus comes with a variety of modern features aimed at enhancing the driving experience. It includes a user-friendly infotainment system, typically with a touchscreen interface that supports features like Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and sometimes even navigation, allowing the driver to stay connected and on track. The minibus also offers air conditioning, ensuring a pleasant journey for all passengers, no matter the weather outside. Safety features are a top priority, and the Nissan minibus includes advanced systems like airbags, ABS brakes, and stability control, all working together to keep everyone safe on the road. In terms of design, the Nissan minibus has a functional yet stylish look. Its exterior is designed to be practical, with a large, wide frame that allows for easy access to the cabin. The sleek design makes it look modern, while its sturdy build ensures longevity and resilience against wear and tear. The large rear door allows for easy loading and unloading of passengers and luggage, making it an excellent option for shuttle services, tour groups, or large families. Overall, the Nissan minibus is an outstanding choice for anyone in need of a reliable and spacious vehicle. Whether for business or family use, it offers great value for the money with its impressive specs, features, and performance. If you found this review helpful and want to learn more about other vehicles, make sure to subscribe to AutoZone. Stay tuned for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and expert insights.